This is the example how to use MathWhiteboard, a web-based whiteboard for mathematics. Write down the function, insert graph, drag the function into the graph, then adjust the scale. Let's see this example. The function is y equals a times cos bx plus c plus d, where a, b, c, d are written there. They are constants. So I think I need to create sliders to represent the range of numbers for a, b, c, and d. If a is 1, b is 1, c is 0, d is 0, the function is y equals cos x, and this is the graph. What if I change the amplitude into 2, the period into pi radians or 180 degrees, and I translate 1 unit down vertically? The function is y equals 2 cos 2x minus 1, and this is the graph. It's easy to create your own interactive, isn't it?